We are actually in the middle of the tournament. As you can see, quite a number of people around, entertainment, and there's football is going on. People coming together for the fundraising of the programs in Epworth, for the children in Epworth. This is it, and we have managed to have it. It's a beautiful day, and together we are going to be having another tournament very soon and other programs for fundraising very soon. See you next time.
Wow, it was a display of talent, pure talent. The boys played very well. Unfortunately, because of the time on the day, it was a little bit late. The finals could not be played. So we will announce very soon the day for the final match to decide who will take the trophy away between Agents FC and Oxygen FC. Thank you. Anyway, we want to express our gratitude to all the people who are heeding the call to help and to give a hand. You know, this association, this organization is about friends helping other friends in need. So we want to mention a special somebody who offered their help to when we did a call for the ICTs. He's a very special person in the ICTs, and he has given himself to help the kids in Epworth. Thank you very much. And to other calls that we shall make, other calls that we have made, the door is still open. You can come and express your area of strength, anything that you can help, either cash, kind, expertise, ideas, or anything. Nothing is too small. That will go a very long way. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your week. From SIMFA, with love. Thank you.